Now in this video we will learn how to check the polarity and attach these motors accordingly. Okay, so now this is my chassis. All right, so I want that this is my front side. Okay, this is my front side and this is my back side. Okay, so when I will attach the wire of a motor to this battery, the motor should move forward, okay, like this. Okay, then I will check the wires of this motor on this side, and it should also move to that side. All right, so the wire of both motors which is connected to the positive will be connected with each other, and the wires of these two motors which are connected to this negative terminal will be connected to each other. Okay, let's do this practically. So let's check these two wires first. Let's check these two wires first. Okay, this is for the first motor. Okay, so I'll connect this to positive and this to negative. Okay, so now my motor is turning reverse, right? So I'll change the polarity. I'll put this here on positive and put this on negative. Okay, now it is moving forward. Okay, so this is my positive wire for this motor. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just put it here just to remember that this is my positive wire. Okay, now this is my second motor of the same side. Let's check these two now. These two wires are for this motor. Let's check. Now this is also moving anti-clockwise. So now I'll just change the polarity. Now my motor is moving forward. Okay, and this is my positive wire, right? So this is the positive for this motor and this is the positive for this motor. Okay, so both these positive wires will be connected with each other, and I'll tell you why we are doing it later. Okay, these two wires will be connected with each other and these two negative wires will be connected with each other. And don't go for colors, okay, because this is totally depends on the polarity where these wheels are moving. Okay, now for one more time we will confirm this. Now these two wires are negative and these two wires are positive. Now we will connect it. Both motors should move forward. Okay, so now both motors are moving forward, right? So these wires are connected perfectly. Now the positive wires, these two are positive wire which are connected to positive terminal. We just put one knot here to just for a reminder that this is the positive. All right, now we will do the same thing with the left side motors, right? So let's check the wires for these motors. Okay, this one is for this and this one. Okay, so now all right, so these two wires are for this motor. Let's check the polarity. First we will put this on positive and put this on negative. Okay, so now this is moving forward, right? So this is the right direction and this is my positive for this motor. So I'll just put it here. Okay, now I will check these two wires. It is moving anti-clockwise, so I will change the polarity. Now this is moving forward. Okay, so this is positive for this motor. So now this is positive for this motor and this is positive for front motor. I will join them then. Okay, and I will join the negatives also. Now I'll confirm it once again. So I'll put these two wires on negative, these two wires are positive. So now both the tires on the left are moving forward. Here, this is my forward. All right. So this is my positive. So I'll put one knot here just for my reminder that this is the positive for left side. Okay. So that's how we check the polarity and connect the motors.